Okay, just finishing off that question. It cut off there. So let's have a wee look. It is, bring it back into it again. Substitution was u. So you have to do du by dx to get cos x. Rearrange that to get dx. Now, take your wee bits and pieces and put them in. I'm not going to change this cos because I know dx, when I put it in, has got an over cos, so they will cancel. Sine squared is going to be u squared. So it's going to be 4 minus u squared on the bottom row as well. So we now see our cos is cancelling off. So this gives me 3u squared over 4 minus u squared du. Do I have the derivative of the bottom on the top? No, I don't. So I need to think of partial fractions. Only problem here is the top is not smaller than the bottom. So I've got to take the top and divide it by the bottom. So it's 4 minus u squared. Minus u squared into 3u squared goes minus 3 times. Now I'm going to do minus 3 times this. Minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. Minus 3 times minus u squared is plus 3u squared. Subtract. Nothing minus minus is positive 12. 3u squared minus 3u squared goes away. So I'm going to rewrite my integral now as the number of times it goes in plus the the remainder over the divisor. Now I'm going to split that up into minus 3 du plus, and that is going to be partial fractions. So it's going to factorize the bottom first because you have to have your factors. So 2 minus u, 2 plus u du. So I'll go over to the side, and 12 over 2 minus u, 2 plus u equals a over the first factor plus b over the second factor. Sort out the tops. This one needs an extra 2 plus u. This one needs an extra 2 minus u. Choose u to be minus 2. So 12 equals that disappears. b, 2 minus minus 2 is 4. So b equals 3. And then choose u to be 2 to get rid of the second bracket. So 12 equals 4a. So a equals 3. So I am going to rewrite my integral. It's minus 3 du for the first one. This is going to be split up into a, which is 3 over 2 minus u, plus b, which is 3 over 2 add u du. Now we're nearly there, so just tidying this up. I'm going to bring this 3 through as I'm splitting up this integral. I'm going to bring this 3 through and again split up the integral. To integrate this, the u reappears. To integrate a fraction, you did the derivative on top. Derivative is the minus 1, so balance it. So it becomes minus 3 log the bottom line. Derivative is the 1, I have it on top, so just log the bottom line. And don't forget your c. And now at the end, I've no integral values to sub in, so just put your u back in again. From the very beginning, u was sine x. So minus 3 log 2 minus sine x plus 3 log 2 add sine x plus c. Now I just want to show you how you could tidy this up. You don't have to, but I'll just take you through this. For these two, I'm going to factorize out the 3. I'm going to write this as log 2 add sine x minus log 2 minus sine x. Take away 3 sine x plus c. Whenever you're subtracting two logs, you can just divide the number bit. So minus 3 sine x plus c. So you could leave your answer like that.